How would you like to take a complete summer off, completely off from any type of working, and just go RVing with your family? Or maybe spend a few months down in the Caribbean sipping up margaritas without any thought of money or your business and still be bringing in 5 figures or more a month. Hey, it's Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible. 7 different income streams that are passive that you can use. You can build up these income streams to build a passive income, something that can sustain you, keep bringing you money long term. So you do the work up front and you keep getting paid for it. That is the beauty of passive income. And anyone who's looking for time freedom, where they can go to the beach, they can take time off from working, they can do different things and not worry about money, you need to focus on passive income. If you only work on active income, where you do work and you get paid for that work, you're always going to be hustling. You're never going to be able to take a break. You have to keep working to make money. When instead you focus on passive income and you start building up these income streams, you can do the work one time and can continue to get paid for that work year after year. Now let's break down the 7 different opportunities for making money online through passive income. Number 1 is YouTube ad revenue. This is actually a really huge opportunity. Now with YouTube ad revenue, what does that mean? It means that you're creating content out on YouTube. You're creating videos for people to watch. And once you hit the minimum threshold that's required by YouTube, you can turn on what's called monetization. Essentially, you're allowing YouTube to run ads on your videos. When you got to this video, more than likely, there was an ad at the beginning of this video that you clicked through after 5 seconds. That is a YouTube ad. That's an in-stream ad on YouTube. And when you allow those on your channel, you make money. Now, how much you can make on it really depends on the industry that you're in and how many views you get on your videos. So industries that are more competitive, like what we do here, make money online, teaching marketing, that sort of thing, this is a more competitive industry, meaning that people are interested in running ads on our channel. And so the more people that want to run ads on your channel or in your industry, the higher the cost is going to be for those ads and the more money you make as a creator. If you're in a different type of industry, maybe dog training, we'll use that as an example, maybe they're not as competitive. You wouldn't make as much necessarily as we would or another person would through their ads, but it's still a huge opportunity. You would just probably need more subscribers, more views before you saw more of the money. Now, what's interesting about YouTube ad revenue is that it is passive. We actually have a video that's one of our very best performing videos that gets a ton of views that we created a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years even. And it's bringing us money every single day because people are still finding it, they're still watching it, and there's ads on it, so we're getting paid for that. And what you'll find as you grow your channel, you'll get most of your money from maybe a handful of videos. The videos that really hit the mark, that take off, that maybe rank for a few keywords and really drive most of the views and the watch time for your channel. So that video that we did that long ago is still working for us. It's still making us money, which is great. YouTube is not totally passive though. So it's passive in the sense that we shot that video a year and a half ago and that video is sending us money still today, which is awesome. However, we still sort of have to create content on a fairly regular basis within YouTube in order for YouTube to show people our stuff. YouTube wants creators that are active and creating content. So if you really want to build up your YouTube ad revenue, you're going to want to continue to produce content. So it's passive, but not 100% passive. Let's say you work up your ad revenue, you've got a lot of videos, a lot of content out there that are ranking and doing great. Yeah, definitely take the summer off. You're still gonna be making a lot of money from YouTube. Taking a break isn't gonna hurt you. Now, the second option is actually by displaying ads on your blog. So having your own website that you own, it's branded to you, it's all of your content and your information, that is a huge asset online. We preach that all the time. You own it. It's a safe thing to do. You should do it. Another benefit to having that website, beyond the safety and security of having your own place on the internet, is that you can actually essentially sell billboards on your website. So the more traffic that you get to your site, the more people are willing to pay you to be able to advertise on your site. Obviously, whatever the offer is, the advertisement should make sense with who your audience is. It should be very congruent. But think about a billboard as you're driving down the interstate. There's someone that owns that billboard, right? They own it and they essentially rent it out for people to place advertisements on it. That's what you can do on your website as you get more traffic. So even if you don't have a ton of traffic, let's take the dog training example. You may go to a local dog groomer or something like that and offer them this place for advertising and give them the numbers on how much traffic your website gets. And then you can start making a little extra cash with it. But as you get more and more traffic to your site, more and more people are going to even just be reaching out to you asking if they can place ads on your website. We get this all the time. And obviously you're going to be able to make more money for each of those placements the more traffic you have to your website. So display ads are when people are just flat out paying for a spot on your website. That's it. Now the third way to get paid is similar but slightly different. It's CPC ads, or cost per click ads, on your blog or on your website. Cost per click. What does that mean? It means that it's it's not just like a billboard where they're renting the space for a flat fee. It's essentially you get paid anytime anyone clicks that image, clicks the button and gets them directed off to whatever their website is. Not that they purchased like an affiliate commission would be, but just that they clicked it. Just by clicking it, you can get paid if it's a CPC ad, cost per click ad. So depending on your industry, the type of people that want to advertise in your niche, CPC ads may be a great way to monetize your blog and make more money. Bring in that passive income that's just coming to you month after month. Because if the ad matches your target audience, whoever is coming to your blog, people are going to click it if it's a well-written ad. And when they click it, you make money. It's a great passive income stream. Now, number 4 is selling digital courses. We kind of like this. We've done a lot of selling digital courses. It's really great. And what's cool about selling digital courses is that yes, you have to create a course. That's a given. However, you create that course one time and you continue to sell it month after month, year after year, and can keep making money on it. Now, how passive it is really is going to depend on the kind of content, the topic of whatever your training is on. If you're teaching specific social media strategies or very specific strategies on the internet, you probably need to update that maybe once a year or so, updating some of the modules or maybe the whole course every once in a while, depending on the changes that are happening, because the internet changes all the time. So something like that, you're going to have to keep up a little bit of work. It's not going to be a totally set it and forget it sort of thing. However, you can go months in between doing anything to it and still be making money. Now, if you create courses for something that doesn't change all the time, like social media stuff, maybe about blogging or about copywriting or about dog training, whatever that course is about, if it doesn't change constantly, then it can really be super hands-off. You essentially create an evergreen course, something that's going to just be perfect for years to come, and you continue to sell it over and over again. And you're driving traffic to that offer through all the content and this work that you do on social media. Now, we run ads to sell our courses, but even with ads turned off, we still make a few sales a day, which can add up to a lot of money depending on the cost of your course. And people sell courses anywhere from pocket change to thousands of dollars, and it really depends on your industry, how comprehensive the course is, and what people in your industry are willing to pay for that sort of content. But say you have $1,000 course, make just one sale that month, that's $1,000 from just that one income stream. Make 5 sales, $5,000 from that one income stream. 10, and you've reached that $10,000 a month threshold. Now, number 5 is actually selling ebooks, selling digital books. This is really cool. Yes, you can do this yourself, set it up yourself, but it's really easy if you do this through Amazon. You can do Amazon self-publishing as an ebook, or you can publish it directly to Kindle. And when you publish on Amazon, they actually do the selling for you. By getting it onto Amazon or Kindle, there's a ton of traffic on those sites for people searching and looking for specific things. And so you can be making sales for years after you've created that ebook. So creating and selling ebooks is a great income stream. When you leverage the services of Amazon to publish that or get it up on Kindle, it can be really super hands-off. You create that stuff one time and it just makes you money. Number 6 is affiliate commissions, one of our very favorite ways to make money online. And this can be either with physical products or digital products. Here is a screenshot of a blog post that we did years ago. This blog post actually talks about a couple books, and in it we review a couple books. And when people actually purchase, they click the link to buy the books from the blog post, we get money. We use Amazon's affiliate program to set up those links, and so when people purchase, we get a cut of that purchase. It is a physical product, so the cut is less than we like with digital products, but it's something that can come in long-term, years and years after you created that initial content. Now, digital products, this is actually a YouTube video that we created that teaches all about Facebook Messenger bots. It's a great video that gives a lot of content, and for people who are looking to go further and really master Facebook Messenger bots, we actually direct them to a friend of ours through an affiliate link who's selling a Facebook Messenger course. So this is how you do the same sort of concept with a digital course. Now, of course, digital courses we really, really like better. Instead of making the 5 to 7% of the sales price as your commission as an affiliate, you're looking at typically 30 to 50% of the commission is what you earn. So there's much bigger earning potentials. We just got a check from Mark the other day, and we had even no idea that we made any sales, but it's nice just having money come in month after month. Because we created that one video, it's up there, people are finding it and seeing it, going through his sales funnel and purchasing. So by creating content online and driving people towards some sort of affiliate offer, you can make passive income. Whether you're working or not later on, people can still find that content and make that purchase. And finally, number 7, very similar, residual affiliate commissions. Instead of only getting paid one time from that customer making that initial purchase, this is where I'm talking about making ongoing commissions from that same customer. So this would be an affiliate program that maybe has a monthly subscription, and when that customer pays that monthly subscription, you continue to get paid a percentage of that commission. We've got people that we've referred to programs years ago that we still continue to make hundreds of dollars a month with long after we made that initial referral to the system. Plus, they actually are tagged to us in the system. So if they purchase anything else beyond the membership, buy additional courses, maybe some coaching, whatever it is, we still get that cut of the commission. commissions. This means from that one customer, that one single referral, you can make a lot of money in the long term. You'll also see this working really well with programs that have value ladders. So you make the initial referral to the system for some sort of low ticket front end offer, $10, $30, somewhere in that range. And then that customer is still tagged to you and they continue to go through the system and are offered higher value, higher priced purchases. And when they make a purchase then later for $200, you get the percentage of that commission. Later, if they make another purchase for $2,500, you make another percentage of that commission. And it goes on and on up at that higher end commissions. And you can make a lot of money long term from those high end stuff from someone you referred to a $10, $20, $30 product a few months ago and haven't touched since. So residual affiliate commissions, there's a huge opportunity. You can make way more than $10,000 a month residually through affiliate marketing once you've gotten it up and running. Now, if you are ready to really get your business up and rocking, create these exact passive income streams and go from 0 to 6 figures or 6 figures and beyond, you need to click the link at the top of the description to get training to help you do just that. Grab your access right now, click on that link. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you haven't yet subscribed, guess what? You gotta subscribe so we can help you. Say hi so we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com. Head over to this video floating up above my head and I'll see you soon.